What are AI agents? Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning and while you were sleeping, someone had already answered your emails, booked your dentist appointment, researched the best laptop under 50,000 rupees, and drafted a report for your boss. You didn't hire anyone, you didn't pay a single person. An AI agent did it while you slept. It's happening right now. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what an AI agent is, how it actually works, and why it might just be the biggest shift in technology since the smartphone. Stay with me, because this is genuinely going to change how you see AI forever. On this channel, we break down the most important AI developments in the world. In plain English, no degrees required. AI agents is something even most tech people don't fully understand yet. So if you're hearing this term for the first time, you're actually ahead of the curve just by watching an AI agent. You've probably used ChatGPT or something like it. You type a question, it gives you an answer. That's it. One question, one answer. Like texting a really smart friend. An AI agent is completely different. Think of a regular AI like a calculator. You punch in the numbers, it gives you the result. It goes like this. Step 1. Think. The agent looks at your goal and asks itself, what's the very next step I need to take? Not all the steps, just the next one. Step 2. Act. It takes that step. Maybe it searches Google. Maybe it opens a website. Maybe it writes a draft email. It uses tools like a person using a phone or a computer. Step 3. Did it get closer to the goal? What does it know now that it didn't know before? Then it loops back to step 1 and asks what to do next. Think, act, check, think, act, check, over and over, until the job is done.
Let's take another example.
Everyday analogy. It's like packing for a trip. You don't write a 500-step plan before you start. You check the weather, pack the right clothes, check your bag, realize you forgot shoes, add them, check again. Small steps, continuous feedback. That's exactly how an agent thinks. The beautiful part. It doesn't need you to hold its hand through every step. That's the magic. AI agents are already out in the wild, doing real work for real people. It handles refund requests, payment questions, and complaints. By itself, in seconds, in any language, can browse the entire internet, pull information from dozens of sources, cross-check them, and produce a detailed report in the time it takes you to make a cup of chai. Coding agents. Developers are now using AI agents that don't just suggest code. They actually write entire programs, test them, find the bugs, fix them, and deploy the finished product. One person with an agent can now do the work of a small team.
Meet you again in next video.